it's 4.8 or maybe 4.9 degrees.
It's 4.9 degrees inside the camper.
That's-
81% humidity, so
Yeah, and it's
right.
now
Humid.
like a sauna compared to what it's outside, because outside it's around 0 now.
We have a portable electric heater
Yeah,
with us,
yeah.
but it's draining very fast.
Yeah, it's I don't know if you can see it. It's really going fast. It's now 57, I think. Within a minute, it's 56. Here, there, it's 56.
So this is the mini heater, and we've connected it with the power station that's inside of here. But of course it's draining very fast with 763 watts. Simcha is also joining us, and huh?
This is Basha.
Yeah, Basha, yes.
For Simcha and Basha.
So this is not a very good idea. We wanted to fix the heater, gas heater, today, but unfortunately we came across something like this. It's from 2015. It's way too old, and it's also from Germany.
Yeah, they normally replace it, well, after a maximum of about 5 years.
Here in the Netherlands, yes.
Yeah, and this one is already 10 years old.
Yeah.
So they even said that when we would try to cross the border to Germany and they would check our camper, we would not even be allowed to enter Germany, only because of the old gas line.
Yes.
I don't know if they...
So we fixed a new one,
Yeah, there's a new one.
and tomorrow we are going to install the new one. Hopefully
and
we
on the
have
ground-
also a gas, how you call it? Oh, this thing, yeah. How is it called in
Gas
English?
cylinder or gas tank.
Gas tank,
Yeah.
I guess.
The tank itself is 7 kilos weight, and the gas inside, if it's really filled, then it's for 5 kilograms.
So we are going to fix this tomorrow, and hopefully we can have some heat from the gas heater.
Winter has definitely arrived here in the Netherlands with freezing nights, cold mornings, and our camper is currently parked in a lot without a power connection.
So, because the temperatures are dropping, we decided it's time to finally test the gas installation in our camper. Our heater is the Trumatic L300. It's a German model that runs on 50 millibar gas pressure. Here in the Netherlands, the standard is 30 millibar, but since our camper was imported from Germany, it still needs the 50 millibar system.
The gas stove and refrigerator also run on gas, although the fridge can also switch to 12 volts or 230 volts. Today we are going to finally connect the gas bottle we bought a while ago. We will also replace the gas hose and pressure regulator.
Even though the camper had a TÜV inspection this year, and TÜV inspection is something German, the hose and regulator were still from the year 2015. Here in the Netherlands we have to change it every 5 years. We found that quite surprising, because you would expect that with such a strict inspection those parts would be renewed.
Either way, we want everything to be safe, so we're replacing it now.
Their heater's ignition, battery and the battery holder look like they were replaced not a long time ago, which is promising, so fingers crossed that everything works properly and that we will finally be able to keep the camper warm during the cold winter days.
Let's get started. So we already removed the old gas hose and regulator. This is the new hose and new regulator from this year. So we're going to install it. We also already placed the gas cylinder,
The gas bottle.
Yeah. In there. So we're going to connect this. Always make sure that you connect it very well, because you don't want to have leaks. So we're going to check
Well,
that.
you also don't have to make it too tight, because then you can break the rubber inside of it.
What weird.
Yeah, you have here a piece of rubber. If you make it too tight, it can break. So, yeah. That's what I read on the internet.
Okay. Also, the regulator as well as the hose, you can see how old they are on the hose and on the regulator themselves.
Yeah, there's information on the hose itself. So we in the Netherlands have to change this part. We have to change every 5 years, and I think the regulator every 10 years.
Something like that.
So.
I don't know.
Well, we have to read again about it.
If you're not sure about it, ask your local dealer.
Well, there is also a date on it.
Here it says.
There's a date on it.
Here you can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now on the hose, you could also see it. Oh yeah, here you can see the production date 2025.
Oh yeah. So in 5 years, 2030, we have to change the hose again.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
We stopped because it was too dark and we needed to investigate further to find out what was wrong. It is now a month later and we are continuing to investigate the problem with the gas heating during the Christmas weekend.
We do not celebrate Christmas because the holiday is associated with the birth of Jesus. For us, Jesus falls under idolatry because Judaism teaches that there is nothing between us and God, and that God is all-encompassing. It is not rejection of Jesus as a person, but rather a rejection of worshipping him.
Everyone nowadays has a Christmas tree in their home, which actually has nothing to do with Jesus, but with pagan traditions that existed before Christianity. When Christianity spread throughout Europe, the pagan festivals were not abolished, but repacked to make conversion easier. This also happened with the date of Christmas, which coincides with the solstice and later also with the Christmas tree.
Nowadays, there are also many people who are not religious and celebrate Christmas more or less as a cozy tradition with, for example, Santa Claus and presents, but that's not for us.
Let's move on to the gas heating because it's cold now. It's freezing and it's currently -3 degrees. Hopefully we can find the problem now, but if we don't, we'll tear out the gas heating and install a diesel heater. That will be featured in our new video. Did I open it?
Yeah, we have to open it. It's all okay. You can turn it.
You can hear
Open.
the gas. Yeah. It's open now completely. Sifa wants to drive the motorhome, the caravan, camper.
Of course.
Sifa wants to drive the camper around.
Sifa. It's
Hello,
her second
Sifa.
time she's joining us
Yeah.
in our camper.
For
And
Simcha,
is also, of course, joining us.
Yeah.
As usual.
and it's still
Yeah, it's
very cold.
Oh, it's 1 degree.
It's now 1 degree. Well,
It was 0.
yeah, it was 0.
It was
So-
0 degrees.
Okay. As you have seen outside, we put on the knob for the gas, so there should be gas now.
We are going to try
And
the
first, we're going
stove.
to try with the stove. Yeah.
We've never tried it before, so we are going to check if this works.
Yeah. And underneath here, there are some knobs where you can put on or off the gas from several. Well, I don't know if you can see it very well. Maybe you need some light. Here, there are some knobs. There's one that's switched off permanently because the boiler
The
was
boiler
on that,
was on
but the boiler is not connected anymore. There is one for the bottom one is for the freezer,
Yeah, it's for the fridge.
the fridge.
And
Yeah,
the other one above is for the gas heater.
yeah. That's what we're going to try next. But
One.
first, we're going to try the top one. That is
From the
for
stove.
yeah, from the stove.
So I will turn it on.
Yeah. So
Okay.
and now there should be gas over
I
here.
will put the light here.
No,
And then
let's
I
put it
will.
over there.
You will hear. Well, at least we hear. Oh,
Yeah,
it's working.
that's really the old-fashioned way of cooking.
Yay!
To try the second one also.
I will try this. I hear the gas.
And it works
It
also.
works immediately.
So this works. But last time we tried, this worked too.
I think if the camper is connected to the wall power, the power out from outside, I think it will tick 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 tick,
Probably.
because there is one, what is it called, a pin. I think this makes an electric.
Yeah. I think so.
How
too.
you called it in English?
Yeah, I don't know.
Words for it.
No, but you can start the gas
Fire starter, is it called? I don't know.
ignition, I think.
Ignition. Okay.
ignition. I think it is.
Ignition. Oh, you will feel the heat.
Yeah. If you put
Oh,
something
that's
above
really,
it from
really
from
nice.
stone or something, you can.
Yeah, I think you
Use
can
it as a
turn it to
heater.
a heater.
It's possible, but
I will turn it off.
yeah.
It's good to know it works.
Yeah.
And it has a good fire. Maybe this one I have to clean from the inside a bit, but this one looks good.
Yeah, and the flames are really looking well.
Okay,
Okay,
that's a good sign.
so now we're turning to the second phase. So
Yeah, you cannot do that without light.
no.
So the second one is from the gas heater.
Yeah, and that's over here. But last time we tried it, it didn't work. Maybe you have to try a little bit longer, because of course the line towards the gas heater is a little bit longer than the line towards the...
I also
You can
don't
hear the ignition.
Yeah, but I don't hear gas coming out.
No.
Here, you see there.
Oh, I can see some over there.
I have to see if I can. Yeah,
But it's
yeah,
only
I
a
can feel it.
small one.
I think it's
But it's only a
good.
small one. Oh, it's bigger.
It's bigger. You
Ah,
have
okay.
you don't have to sit here, then you can see how big it is.
So
But
now,
it's working.
now we're making
So
our
now-
camper into a space we never want to leave again because it's getting warm.
Yeah. Oh, Sifa. Hi, Sifa.
Hello, Sifa.
Aww.
Hello.
So now we are going to get it warm inside of the camper. You feel it. You feel really here the heat coming out. So it is working.
So we did it. We got the heating working. It wasn't even that difficult. The gas stove for cooking is also working, so we've been able to tick off a few more items on our to-do list. Thank you for watching. If you want to continue following our journey from camper renovation to faith and life on the road, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell. See you in the next video.